Hello, good day. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to cover old shoe with Ankara fabric, just like this, and it's very easy. First of all, get your shoe and your materials. If there's any little design at the top of the shoe, you can quickly get rid of it with your razor blade or scissors. After that, you get the fabric. Place it on top of the shoe. Use it to size it. Ensure that the fabric is longer than the shoe and also wider than the shoe a bit. Next thing to do is to place the material on the shoe and use your scissors to create a pathway on the shoe so that the leg can enter the shoe, and use it to size the shoe just like this. When you are done, you fold the material and use the scissors to cut out the circumference of the material so that your leg can enter the shoe properly. You cut a pathway for your leg to enter the shoe. So when you use it to size the shoe and it's okay, you proceed to applying gum on the back side of the material. You apply the gum on the back side of the material. In the first half, don't apply gum on all the surface of the material yet. Just apply gum at the first only at the first part of the material so that you'll be able to control the material when using to cover the shoe. We do the same for the shoe. Use the gum, apply the gum on the first part, the first half of the shoe, and please apply neatly so that to give you a very nice finishing. When you're done with that, allow to dry a bit. Allow the gum to dry a bit so that it will last longer on the shoe. So gently place the material carefully on top of the shoe and use your hand to press the material on the shoe properly, just the way I'm doing it right now. When you've done this, then you proceed to apply gum at the other part of the material, the back part of the material and also the back part of the shoe, so that you can finally gum all through. Now I've done that. Now I did that off the camera. Now I'm gumming the material on the shoe now and using my hand to properly correct it on the shoe. You should also do yours like that. It's very easy. When you are done, you use your scissors to cut one part of the material out and gum the other part on the shoe. Then you fold this other end, you fold it in two. Then when you done that, then you just gum it on the shoe just like that. It's very simple. There's nothing there. Then for the top of the shoe, you apply gum at the top of the material, inside the material. Just apply gum just the way you can see, just the way I'm doing it, and also in the shoe, so that you can be able to fold it in. You apply gum on both surface so you'll be able to fold it in, and of course you apply gum all through, all around the shoe, so that you'll be able to fold it in easily. When you have done with that, you just allow to get dry a bit. Then you gently fold it in. At the top, you just use your scissors to create a notch at the top so that you'll be able to fold the material inside the shoe, just like the way I'm doing it right now. The last part to get your razor blade to trim off the base of the materials on the shoe. So just use your scissors, your razor blade to trim off the excess at the base of the shoe, just like the way I'm doing it right now. It's as easy as you can see. Then just continue all round. So please, at this point, if you have not subscribed, I will please need you to click on the subscription button below so that you'll be able to see other videos that I'll be uploading very soon. All of these things are very easy. You can sit at your home, your room, and be doing all of these things. You don't need to throw old shoes away anymore, even old bags. You can make earrings and other accessories. So please click on the subscription button below, like, comment if there's anything, any question, whatever it is you don't understand, just let me know at the comment section below and I'll get back to you. That's all. Now these are other bags that I made, and also I'm going to be teaching you uploaded the videos of how I made this one later on. Now behind it is the slippers, Ankara slippers, the one that I wrapped. I'm going to be teaching you. This is a ladies bag. It's a very fine and standard ladies bag I made with chain. You see, it complements the shoe, and all of these things I'm going to be teaching you. The good part of it is they are very easy to make. They are very, very, very easy to make. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.